to my channel. Today I did this look. It's a glitter double cut crease. I don't know if you guys can see. This was very challenging to do. So I am going to do my best to cut the tutorial as short as possible because I had like every issue that I could have possibly had while doing this look. But here it is. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Amanda Marie, and this is my YouTube channel. I upload videos 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm super active on Facebook and Instagram, so you can follow me on all my social media. Facebook is AmandaMcGill, or Amanda Marie's Beauty Box is my business page on there. And on Instagram, AmandaMcGMue. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial, and I'll show you how I managed to somehow pull this off. Bye guys. So I'm just going to start by applying some concealer to my eyelids for a good base. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. So using my Jaclyn Hill palette, I am going to go in and put the color Creamsicle into my crease. Using the Alamar palette that I got in my BoxyCharm this month, I'm going to go in with the orange color Cocoa Taxi, and I'm just going to cover the crease with that and a little bit above my crease, seeing as how I have to do a higher cut crease because I have hooded eyes. And the brush I'm using is my BH Studio Pro number 6. I'm going to go in with my Morphe palette, and I'm going to add this light brown right here over the colors I've already put, just to add some depth to it. Now I'm going to go back into with the Alamar palette, and I'm going to use the red color Granada Namera. I'm sure I'm not saying that right, but it's the burgundy reddish color on the Alamar palette. And using the same brush, I'm just going to apply that to add a little bit more color to my crease and above my crease. Using my Morphe M433, I'm just going to go in and blend out any harsh lines and edges. Now I'm going to take my Retro Love palette in the color Rock and Roll, which is an even darker red, and I'm going to go ahead and darken that a little bit more. Then with my BH Cosmetics 101 blending brush, I'm going to go in with the color Nostalgia, which obviously I didn't reuse my palette high enough to show you guys, but it's just a really deep brown, almost burgundy color. And I think this will be the final color, and I'll have everything blended to right where I want it. And then back in with my Morphe to just even it all out again. Taking my Retro Love in the color Icon, I'm just going to go and kind of highlight my brow bone with it just to give it a little bit of extra shine. time to cut the crease. Of course, I'm going to use my BH concealer brush and my no filter ColourPop concealer to go ahead and make this crease as light and smooth as I can. Going back in with my Morphe palette, I am just using a really light color to kind of set that concealer. Sorry I didn't lift it up and show you the color, guys. I don't know where my head was. I was just having so many issues with this that I forgetting to show you guys what colors I'm using. Sorry. So going back in with my Morphe 15B Brunch Babe palette, I'm going to use the color Waffles, which is a shimmery, purpley, burgundy-ish color. And I'm going to apply that all over to my lid. And then using an eyeliner brush from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar Blacklist gel eyeliner and create a wing. And now using my Aesthetica pointy eyeliner brush, I'm just going to go in and sharpen that wing out just to make the edges soft and not bumpy or rigid or bumpy. One of those. Anyway. So I'm gonna go in with my BH concealer brush and a little bit of concealer and just clean up that wing. I'm also going to use a little bit of makeup remover and a Q-tip. And then just putting some white powder on a really small brush that I have. I'm just going to go in and clean up that crease so that the cut looks clean and sharp and that it will really stand out. So now I'm just applying some of my NYX glitter glue to my lid so that I can go ahead and apply some glitter to really make this pop. And I am going to actually use a Q-tip that I just used. I dipped it in the glitter and I'm just going to use that to just tap it into where I put the glue. Now I'm going to go do the other eye, but I am not going to voice over that. I'm going to just do the same thing I just did on this eye. I got these lashes from Wish for $1. Wait till you guys see them. So just putting a little mascara on my lashes so that the falsies stick a little bit better, and then I'm just going to make sure that my glue is nice and tacky and go ahead and just throw these on. Not only were these lashes super affordable and pretty, they were really easy to apply as well. Just gonna dip back into my Pretty Vulgar eyeliner and finish the eyeliner now that I have the lash on. Now I'm just gonna do my lips. This is my lipstick from Bite Cosmetics. I absolutely love these lipsticks. If you guys have never tried them, you have got to give them a shot. Okay, so this is my final look. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Notice how I screw my hair up at the very last minute and I have no idea, and then I was stuck with this lump in this video. Whatever. Hope you guys have a good day. Love you. Bye-bye.